Well, hello everyone, and welcome to week number 6. I hope all of you had a great weekend. Some of you are finishing up this week, as we had said on Thursday night. It was great to see everyone. I hope you had an opportunity in your breakouts to get some good information about the next step, which you've turned in on Sunday night, which was the plan portion. So the first 2 steps are out of the way. I did finish scoring all of the step 1, the investigate, and I did give some feedback for a few of you. Here's the thing: when you look at the rubric, you do want to make sure that you have pretty substantive detail, so that you don't want the reader just looking at a brief or concise paragraph and then them just overanalyzing that and then marking you down. So it's just really important, like when we're talking about mission and vision, how is that playing out, the mission and vision today? How is the mission and vision playing out as it relates to the equity gap that you see? Is that being supported or not? So those are things that you can allude to. So if you make your little edits, because you have all the time in the world until the end of week 8 to make any edits or adjustments, by looking at the rubric and really just making sure that, hey, did I hit that portion? So but I did give some feedback in regards to that, because remember, the scores are looking for how do you take the data and analyze it and then come up with those problem practice and so on and so forth, and not just the problem practice, but how you're going to mitigate that. And that's, of course, in the act section. So I just wanted to touch base with you about that. Now this week, this is a little more of a condensed week. So you will be submitting by Thursday night, you'll be submitting your act portion. So step 3 of cycle 1 will be due, or your draft. So you'll post your draft like you've done with the other 2. And then for the rest of you, then you're going to go ahead and just turn around, and then you are going to score and give feedback to your peers by Saturday night, midnight. I'll even, say Sunday morning, because most of you will probably take those edits and then submit your act portion Sunday night by midnight. So that would be step 3. After you've made your edits and everything by Sunday night. And then the following week, kind of the same thing. You'll have till Thursday to kind of craft your reflect. Should not be real big problem. And then also you'll have Saturday to not score, but give your peers feedback. And then Sunday of next week, you'll submit it. And then on our final meeting, it'll just be a cursory meeting, making sure everybody's dialed in. They're ready to submit their final submissions to Cal IPA Pearson. So, but if you have questions, concerns, or anything that you need from me, just reach out to me by text, phone, or email. I'll make sure the instructor overviews in the announcements in here, and just take a look ahead. I will put the common errors and in the template up like I have in the past, and we'll just work from there. Remember, it's really important the feedback you give. Really look at that rubric and give your peers feedback that really, as instructors, we can't. So hope you have a great week. For those that have just gone on vacation, I hope that you're able to do something other than class. And then those that are coming up to your vacation, I hope your last week goes well, and you get a good start to your summer as well. All right. Have a great day. Take care. Bye.